lithium iron phosphate batteries have surged in popularity, emerging as the leaders in the deep cycle battery market, surpassing the limitations of traditional lead-acid models. Leveraging this popular technology, Deligreen Power's 12-volt batteries represent an excellent energy storage solution that seamlessly combines high performance, eco-friendliness, and reliability in a complete package. Powered by Grade A lithium iron phosphate cells, they are not only environmentally friendly, but also non-toxic and safe, eliminating the risk of leaks and corrosion. Incredibly lightweight, the basic 100 ampere-hours model weighs only 12.5 kilograms, a remarkable 70% lighter than its lead-acid counterparts. Despite their lightweight design, they deliver significantly higher power density, ensuring maximum energy output. With charging speeds up to 5 times faster than lead-acid batteries, customers can experience less downtime and an uninterrupted power supply. They can remain in storage for up to a year without maintenance, making them incredibly convenient. Equipped with a smart battery management system, they provide added safety, protecting against short circuits, high and low voltage, and thermal issues. You can expand your capacity by connecting multiple units in parallel and achieve higher voltage levels like 24, 36 or 48 volts by connecting units in series. Furthermore, we provide customization options, including the addition of an LCD on the casing to align with your specific preferences and requirements. Established in 2010, Deligreen Power is a prominent enterprise engaged in the research and development, manufacturing and sales of lithium storage systems and their accessories. Why consider us? We're here to back your OEM and dropshipping needs, provide tailored solutions to match your requirements, specialise in catering to online retailers and wholesale businesses, and guarantee swift delivery through our robust inventory.